Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I am again with you sharing this amazing mold, and wow, I really don't have any words for this one. So let's remove this out from the packing, and as you can see that it has mentioned that this is a turtle, a crystal mold tray. And as soon as I open the mold, it is a handmade mold, and if you can see the shine of this mold by itself, wow, yeah, you can view the mold itself. It is so shiny, the crystals are so sparkly. Even I haven't done anything with this one. It is just a simple silicone mold, and it is beautiful. So one thing that I am so amazed by the into resin molds are that they are so beautiful on their own. And the second thing is that when you are going to create something with them, this is on a next level. So for my first one, I'm going to make a simple plain tray, but I'm going to use this already made blue epoxy resin by Let's Resin. So you don't have to mix any color, it is ready made. You just have to mix both of them. It's 1 to 1. Perfect for making this as it is a low viscosity resin. So I am very carefully, after mixing it, pouring it into the mold. I really don't want to introduce any air bubbles, so I am very careful. So you can see that I am pouring very slowly the resin into the mold. So this is a way you can say that it helps to reduce the bubbles. And if I'm going to dump this resin on a hole, it's going to create a lot of bubbles in the spaces because it is a crystal cluster mold. So it's going to be, there are going to be a lot of bubbles that are going to trap everywhere. But if you're going to pour like this, it is very less chance that you get bubbles. So now I'm going to leave it to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. I am so excited to see the result here. So first of all, a little bit of ASMR. And you can see the rainbows that are forming, and this is just plain simple resin that I've poured into this mold, and I'm super excited to see the results. And here we go. Wow, really, if just let me know that if you can differentiate that it is a crystal or it is a resin. So fun to look at. It is so beautiful. So I will link everything in my description with a discount code of 20%. So yeah, you get a very good deal on these molds. So now on to, after playing with this a little bit, now I'm going to make another one because I'm so happy with the results. So I need to make another style. So for this one, what I did here is that I have taken a fantasy film. So this is the one that I selected. So a lot of you ask me where you can buy these fantasy films. So the only place that I can find these, because I'm in UK, so I find these on Etsy. On Etsy, there are a lot of options available. So this is not the cellophane paper. You can use that, the cellophane paper also, but this is the fantasy film that is used for making fairy wings, dragon wings, and a lot of other things. So what I'm doing here is that again I mixed a low viscosity resin. I added a little bit of violet tint into this epoxy, and now I'm using my heat gun. In this way I am going to remove the air bubbles if they are going to trap anywhere. This is going to be finished in 2 layers. And after doing that, a little bit of tapping. It is a low viscosity resin, so I do that. I'm not going to recommend that everyone can will have to do this, but I just do this. So after adding the resin, I'm going to add the cellophane paper that the fantasy film that I have cut according to the size of this center. So now I'm going to put a little bit of resin onto this fantasy film. So in this way, it will introduce very less bubbles to the resin. And now I will be putting this on the top. And then I will be pouring a little bit of leftover resin on the top of this fantasy film, just to cover it. And after that, I will leave this layer to cure, and I'm going to show you the other layer. So my first layer is cured now, and I will be topping this up with the black resin. So after pouring the black resin, I will leave this to cure. So this is the next day. It is the final day, and we will see how this turns out. I would really love to see how this one's turned out. So I'm just removing it out of the mold. So here we go. It is out of the mold already, as I explained that the mold is so amazing. So yeah, this is the result, and really loving this one again. Really beautiful resin tray. So all of you that love turtle, this is such a beautiful resin tray for you, and the mold is amazing. So we are going to see the final look for these. So this is the final look. Because it has nothing to add more, it is on its own so pretty, and on a next level. I am loving both of them. So I'm just showing you in the sun that how it is making those rainbows on the wall. I was just playing with these because yeah, it was so fun to play with them. With each mold, I am amazed. I have already spoken so much. You can see the results. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so. And thank you so much for your amazing support. This really means a lot. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.